Hey everybody, Randy here with Stay Broke Business Consulting. Welcome to day 55 of building $1 million business in 1 year. We got a bit of a leak. Now we get to try and figure out how to fix this. It's all up in the insulation. It's been spraying straight up for I don't know how long. So that's a lot of fun. All right, I just walked down here to get my little Ranger, and apparently it's dead too, so time to walk back up to the house and get my jump box. It's gonna be one of those days. Like sometimes you're the hammer and sometimes you're the nail. The worst part is I'm supposed to be getting caught up on yard work today because every single weekend we've had either people here in town or we've been traveling lately. So I just can't keep up with it. It takes about 4 hours just to do the mowing and then all the weed eating and blowing and everything else on top of that. So that was this weekend's goal, is to really get everything caught back up, but I guess that'll wait. Hopefully I can make a quick fix on it, get some of the water out, set up the equipment to start getting it dried out under there, and then once it's dry I'll be able to actually go in and make the repairs the right way. But with 6 people in the house, I need to get the water back on as quickly as possible, and it's dinner time, so our dinner plans just changed. We were going to make some good food, now we're ordering pizza, but we'll see what happens. It hasn't been driven in a few weeks, but I wouldn't think that it would be dead already unless something was on, but all right, time to go gather up some tools and equipment, see if we can fix this. Little rotary pump here. All right, so at least we have a humidifier. That's nice that we have one. Oh. How about that? Progress, we're getting there. All right, go pick up a couple things from Lowe's. I haven't used one of these shark bites for a while, so I gotta crawl back out and see how they work. See if I'm gonna be able to get it on without really having any movement in that pipe. That's the problem. All right, so we put the shark bites on it. Luckily, I had a point back here where it's connected to PEX. But the problem is that piece is so short right there, I don't know if I got enough of a bite that it's not going to leak. So we'll have to see if it made it past the gasket or not. Which is why I don't want to be in here when it gets turned back on. Let's see if I can push it in there a little better. All right, more stuff. We're going to have to sweat some fittings, unfortunately. But it might wait till tomorrow. I got it slowed down to a slow drip, so that might carry us through until we have sunlight again. Could be worse. If that little drip will make it through the night, then we'll be good. And I can get it all tightened up in the morning. I also hate spending money on a house that we're going to be tearing down in the near future. That's hard too. So I'm hoping that the water heater isn't bad as well, it looks in rough shape, and they've been having some temperature issues, but hopefully this leak was part of the problem. But we'll find that out tomorrow as well. So thanks for following along with this mess today. Let's do it again tomorrow. Like, follow, subscribe, and stay broke.